Robin, where are you? An Ikea restaurant. It's one of our favorite restaurants. Here are the food. Okay. May juice doon yata. Snack platter for you, Robin. Snack platter.
Hi everybody, today we're gonna eat.
Let's eat.
I just got the vaccine. I told you.
Let's eat, guys. Eat muna, mamaya na drinks.
You can probably hear baby crying.
Maybe they have this one in the restaurant so we can buy. Let's put in the oven.
I wish this was alive.
That's good. Okay, let's eat, guys. That's it, guys. Enjoy your lunch, your dinner, whatever you're eating right now. Enjoy your meal. Ito, guys, unlimited ang unlimited ang sauce. Yan. Let's enjoy the sauce. One more kind of sauce. Yan. See? Maganda dito. It's a free, unlimited sauce. Sauce ng aming French fries. Jaran! See? Anything you can dip into this kind of sauce. Enjoying your food, Robin?
Yeah.
Yes. How about both? Are you both? Black spaghetti. Slowly, okay? Enjoy. Hello guys, you won't believe it. This is only $1. $1 only. This is good, guys, because it's unlimited drinks, so you can choose whatever you like. I'll try Sprite. Yan ang Sprite. Oh, yan. Okay na. I think this is enough. That's really unlimited drinks. Are you done, Robin?
Yes. I'm very full.
You're very full. Okay. Your lunch is done.
And then dinner.
Thank you, Lord.
The next thing I do,
Say something first.
like the video.
Thank you.